In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to shut down your iPad when it is frozen. So if your iPad or if your screen is frozen, then how to force shut down your frozen iPad. So if you have an iPad with home button, then you guys have to press and hold the home button, and top button simultaneously and until the Apple logo appears. So it will force restart your iPad guys. You have to hold this home button and top button from here at the same time, press and hold it, and it will force restart your iPad. And if you have an iPad with without home button, then you have to quickly and press and release the volume up and down button, then finally press and hold the top button from here and until the Apple logo appears. So without iPad without home button, you have to follow these instructions to force restart your iPad. So yep, and once your Apple logo appears, your iPad will be a restart guys. So yeah, it will fix your problem. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.